Moi-même, moi fatigué avec petit fils qui pas de quitter petit garçon en repos. Petit fils a pédé comme ça, c'est petit garçon nan Johnson qui c'est papa petit. C'est pas vrai. Petit ça pas jamais manger. C'est céréales seulement Natacha prend pour ba petit là pour manger. Ça pirate là, son chemise de nuit petit là qu'a mettre toute la semaine journée. Tu vas même pas ce petit ça qu'on jambe baigner. Moi connais Johnson papa ka jamais fait petit ça enceinte. Petit ça pas dans même rang, ni pas dans même classe avec petit garçon. Moi pas attendre pour les tests ADN ça sorti pour ka quitter ni petit garçon ni toute famille moi en repos.
Miss Maury always getting into my business. She act like she ain't got no cooking to go do or something like that. Plus she always walking around with a belt. Like what she trying to do? Miss Maury thinks her son is the best thing that ever walked this earth. They need to shut up and take care of my baby. She the one that keep putting in Johnson's mind that he ain't my baby daddy. It was only two people there when the baby was being made. It was me and him, not Miss Maury. I can't wait till this DNA test proves that Lil Johnson is my baby's daddy. After that, she better be quiet, sit down, and watch my kids.
Man, I'm tired every day. Natasha keep on calling me every day saying, that's my son, that's my son. I already tell her I'm carrying me. Petit là, not for me. Look at that. Gat cheve petit là. Cheve assemblé marronné. Et sa femme yo mette dans cheve yo. Mais même bagay ba sa yo. Et tête gen gen. Petit maman, my mom is never wrong. Li fait rêve, li dit petit là pas pour moi. Natasha so watch it, man. She always going to the club every day, shaking her booty, listening to city girls all the time, talking about she gonna swipe in visa. She don't even got no visa. She don't even got no damn credit. Then she wanna tell me, oh, can I get your money? What she think I am? All she need to go do is swipe that food stamp card and get out her mama house and leave me alone, man. That's not my son.
Moi connais que petit ça, c'est pas pour petit garçon de Johnson lié. Moi fais un rêve que petit là pas pour Johnson.
Johnson ain't nothing but a mama's boy. Johnson still live with his mama. His mama still feed him, clothe him. I think she even helps him in the bathroom. I can't wait for this DNA test to prove that Johnson is my baby's daddy.
So what's the problem?
Maury, I'm sick and tired of him saying that no, Johnson ain't my baby's daddy. I'm 5,000% sure that he's my baby's daddy. Sure, I'm sick of him and his mama.
Okay. Yeah. So I'm guessing you want the results.
I want the results right now. Bring them out. Come on now. Bring them out. I'm ready for it. Bring them out.
Okay, please sit down. Sit down.
Sure.
Sit down. Okay. So Natasha, guess what?
Okay.
We want to bring that boy and we're gonna bring the mother out.
Bring them out, Maury. Bring them out, 'cause I'm tired.
Okay.
I'm
So
tired.
now let's bring out the boy and the mother.
Whatever. That's your baby. That's your baby. That's your baby. That's your baby. Whatever. That's your baby. That's your baby.
Maury, what's happening, man?
Whatever. That's your baby. That's your baby. That's your baby.
Maury, I need to know because I am not the dad. I'm telling you what now. Tell me what? Mama feel ready. She dreaming like
Okay, the results coming in and the case of 7-year-old Leo Johnson, you are the father.